Hatırla yaşla. Bizim zamanımızda arı yaşla kelüşen elle değil mi? Biz gençken çeşme başına barsak. Oh, oh Allah. Sincapçıklarını yakaladık. Tren gelir, hoş gelir. Ley ley, lemi lemi ley. Adaları boş gelir. Yandım geley ley ley ley. Geç geç geç kardeşim, geç geç geç geç. Aman. Kara tren gecikir belki. Belki hiç gelmez. Dağlarda dolanır da derdimi bilmez. Dumanın. Yeah, of course. It's nice. Little market. We'll come back tomorrow, I guess. $2 for the peppers, $4. Are you gonna be here tomorrow too?
Anytime after 7 o'clock in the morning.
Okay. We'll see you tomorrow then. Nice. Burası da pazar yerimiz. Tam lablayı.
They do this in the summertime.
Huh?
They do this in the summertime.
Yeah.
How many time, right? In spring?
In spring, the four season. 4 mevsimde keledir lablayı. Açar mısın?
They come here even in the winter and fall?
Yeah. All the time. Ama winter time they bring winter fruits and vegetables.
Tomatoes and cucumbers are always...
No, that's for summer.
Huh?
O zaman şey
Tomatoes
getirdiler.
and cucumbers are always... Aren't they?
Nasıl tutçu bunu?
Aren't tomatoes,
Arı tut. Arı tut.
aren't tomatoes and cucumbers four seasons?
No.
Then how do we eat
This is
how do we eat tomatoes then?
da Allah şeyden kelediler. Kaliforniya'dan kelediler. Marketlege kelediler. But New Jersey farmers it's only one season.
So the California ones aren't fresh anymore.
They're
By the time-
fresh. They're fresh. They have summer all the time. They don't have winter.
I'm talking about by the
Kış
time they
olmaydı
come
Allah'tan.
here.
By the time they get here, yeah, they're not. But they collect them when they're like green before they, so they become ripe on the way. Jolda kızardılar. Domateslerin zaten çeşitlice tadılar. Jolda bir şey kelediler. Fruitla da, ondan sonra nemele kalgan vegetable'larda. Jolda bola kelediler. It's only 1 week or 3-4 days or sometimes they quiet. İşte bizim sokağımız değil mi? This is our street. Bizim mahallemiz daha uçuk değil mi? Ama keşke daha tereklerimiz, o eşekli tereklerimizi kestiler. Salkın salkın aylanladık şimdi. Vallahi daha uçuk. Bu da bizim uçukuz. Oh, you want to go around a little bit more?
Yeah.
Hadi geç kardeşim geç bekletme hadi git sen de geç hadi sen de geç. Sen geçme dur ben eve geliyorum.
They're already going that way anyway. Where you going? I thought you were going more.
You want to go more?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Where do you want to go?
Keep traveling. Look for houses.
Okay, let's go around and check the houses. Let's see. Ayşe will call on the way. Oh, neredeyse biz geçelim arkadaş.
That kind of
Hold the camera.
I didn't know they had that kind of bus here.
Huh?
I don't know.
I think there was enişkede construction olan için arabalarını bu canına kaytargandılar. Bu canda da belki construction olur. I think şimdi de Cuma'ya bütün millet cami. Traffic. Woohoo! Look at that traffic. Look. Big garage sale tomorrow. And the second. Oho, keşke çıkmayaydık Muhammed.
It already ended. You know?
Yankee Doodle.
It already ended.
Riding on a
Is she?
pony. Stuck up with
It already ended.
What?
was like July
Namaz?
11th and
Namaz daha bitmedi canım.
I'm talking about the garage sale.
Yeah, see?
Yeah,
It was from last week.
more than that, like 11th and 12th.
Okay. Uh-oh. Traffic. Oo, hemen de nasıl sıkıştı burası. Millet camiye. Tola, Jol. Jol'un ocağında tamirat olunca şey ettiler. Biz bu arı dönek gittik. Mişkege yallah.
Is that your friend on there?
No, I don't know. She just waved at me. I just waved at her. Okay. Karay bakalım. Layla da arı küçük var ise. Andrege konuşu bulay. Var ise üçügü. Layla da. Andresa'yı. Bizim komşumuz değil mi? That's Mr. Sayer, Miss Sayer. Neighborhood. Camiye doğru varayım mı?
Yeah.
Yeah? I'll go around. Ama caminin etrafı da kalabalık durmayın. Camiye tut o zaman kamerayı. Cami. It's getting crowded now. İşçiler işlerinde var. Cumartesi. Let me go this way. Alright. Layla da görünmekte. Layla da köy Karachay'dan üyeleri. Bu canlı Karachay'dan üyeleri. Bu canlı Cumali amcalan üyeleri. Bu canlı Eyüp'le üyü. Bu canlı Nurten halalan üyeleri. Nurten halana. You remember Nurten hala?
Yeah.
Yeah? You know her?
She's a short lady.
Your hala. Bulaydan da yine ablaydı Haliman eski üyü. Eyüp dayını üyü. Cihan dayını üyü. Abla çıkalım.
Is that the guy?
I don't know who they are. Maybe they're tenants. Let's see. Street too. I'll let you this. I think we're gonna have to look online too. If there's any one family house.
Dundee. Potomac.
Layla da yine Karachay'dan var. İlişkide pazar yeri, köylü pazarı, marketler, depolar, gıda depoları, moving service. Oops, potholes. This house look empty. Yankee Doodle went to town, riding on a pony. Stuck a feather in his hat and called it macaroni.
I'm surprised nobody's around here.
Yankee Doodle then. This is a new house. I think these two houses are newer houses. Allah la ilahe illa anta.
No kids? Oh, okay. It looks like there's barely anybody outside. So.
It's hot.
Not really.
Not really.
Not that much.
It's not that hot. It wasn't like yesterday, right?
No.
Abi oranmadı karar. Oranmayla ne? This house, nice brick house. Let's see. Direct TV. Should I go this way? Ablayda da Süleyman Dayılan'ın fabrikaları. kağıt fabrikası. İşçileri. Okay, mister. I'll go over here. Nope. No houses around here. Florida Avenue. Florida Avenue. Maryland Avenue. Başka? Illinois Avenue. Yola çıktım Mardin'e, düştüm senin derdine. Vay Dip. Dear lion. Okay, I'm going this way now.
Oh, is that?
Look at those nice houses. It may not be rent. Those are nice, right?
Yeah. It looks like beach houses.
Beach houses.
Yeah, like houses that you.
So it won't flood. When it's flood, then it won't go to basement.
Yeah.
Oh, those are nice too. But I'm a blood up a lot. The nice street. Hey, you sucker. Yes. Let's go back now. Yes. It's getting hotter.
Should I close this?
Yeah.